Baitman here with your Thursday fishing report. Real lakes, real bait, real bite. We're covering hot inland lakes, salmon along the coast, and the lake of the week you don't want to miss. Big thanks to this week's sponsor, Johnson's Great Outdoors in Montague, Michigan, and our bait shop of the week, Armstrong's on White Lake in Whitehall, your go-to stops for bait, tackle, and trusted local advice. Lake of the week is White Lake in Muskegon County. Bluegill are hot right now on wax worms under a slip bobber in 6 to 12 feet around weed beds and docks. Perch are active along the south breakwall and western weed lines on minnows and small plastics. Walleye anglers, Mill Pond and Nestrum Road drop-offs are your spots. Crawler harnesses and jigs doing the work. Pike are cruising the east end weeds and Indian bait. Spinners and jerkbaits are producing solid strikes. Across northern Michigan, Burt Lake is giving up walleye on crawler harnesses over 18 to 24 foot flats. Black Lake perch and walleye are working rivermouth flats with jigs and spoons. Otsego Lake has an early bite on leeches in 12 to 18 feet. Long Lake near Traverse City is steady with minnows under slip bobbers on 20-foot structure. Lake Mitchell bass and walleye are biting early around reed edges. From Leland to Grand Haven, the salmon and lake trout bite is heating up. Muskegon boats are running 60 to 100 feet down in 90 to 160 feet of water on glow plugs, green meat rigs, and glow spoons. Grand Haven is hot with green and yellow meat rigs and glow spoons 60 to 110 feet down in 100 to 180 feet. Ludington and Manistee are giving up Chinook, coho, and steelhead 80 to 100 feet down with spoons, flasher fly combos, and plugs. Frankfort has early morning Chinook at 85 to 95 feet with coho following and even some pier jigging producing fish. That's your Thursday highlight reel. For the full 50 lake breakdown, bait shop intel, and hot bite updates, hit my Facebook page, Uncle Buck the Baitman. Fish smart, fish hard, tight lines. Baitman out.